Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to set up your Python programming environment on your computer, step by step. We'll start with Visual Studio Code, then install Python and finally set up the Python extension. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing Visual Studio Code. First, we need a code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code or VS Code for short. VS Code is free, lightweight, and work on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Go to the official VS Code website, code.visualstudio.com. Click on the download button for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions and finish the installation. After installation, open VS Code. You will see the welcome screen with option to open a folder or create a new file. Step 2. Installing Python. Next, we need Python itself. Python is the programming language we'll be using. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Click on the downloads menu and select the version recommended for your operating system. Usually it will suggest the latest stable release. Download the installer and run it. Make sure to check the box that says add Python to path before clicking install. This is very important. After the installation is complete, you can verify it by opening a terminal or command prompt and typing Python version. It should display the installed Python version. Step 3. Installing Python extension in VS Code. Now that we have Python installed, we need to add the Python extension in VS Code. This makes coding much easier. Open VS Code, go to the extension panel on the left. The icon looks like for a square. Search for Python by Microsoft and click install. Once installed, VS Code will automatically detect your Python installation. You're now ready to create Python files and start coding. And that's it. You now have a complete Python programming environment set up. VS Code, Python, and the Python extension. You're ready to start coding and exploring Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you next time.